We prefer that you hire a professional, licensed plumber. There's a couple factors about the water coming into your home that you have to be careful about. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, it's just water coming in, water going out. Plug the system in, so you'll need power, and you'll need some form of drain for the backwash. You can do all that yourself. I'm not a licensed plumber. I've done more than a few installs myself. However, a plumber would recognize the things that you may have a problem with, depending on what type of pipe that you're using.